In today's video, I will teach you how to add weather effects to images with AI. Let's get started. Weather effects can completely transform the mood of your photos. Whether you want to make a sunny day look rainy, create a magical snowy landscape, or add mysterious fog, AI can do it quickly and realistically. So, open your browser, then go to ChatGPT. Then log into your account or sign up for free if you don't have one. In the ChatGPT interface, click the plus icon in the prompt box. Then select Create Image to enter image generation mode. Now click the plus icon again and select Add Photos or Files, or simply press Ctrl U on your keyboard. Now choose the image where you want to add the weather effects to from your computer. And make sure to choose high quality images for best results. Clear landscapes, cityscapes, or portraits works well depending on the desired effect. Now in the prompt box, write a clear instruction telling the AI exactly what weather effect you want, and make sure to be specific about the style, intensity, and mood. Here are some good prompt examples. The more detailed your prompt, the better the AI will understand your vision, to include adjectives like soft, heavy, light, dramatic, mystical, or cinematic. Now press enter to let the AI process your image. An optional step is making adjustments. To do this, click on the image, then write the instructions that you want the AI to use. Iterating helps you get closer to your ideal result, and you can regenerate multiple times if needed. And once you're satisfied, hover over the image and click the download button to save it to your computer. You can also click share to post it directly to your social media. And here are some extra tips for beginners. Using this method, you can turn any ordinary photo into a stunning scene with realistic rain, snow, or fog, all with just a few clicks. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.